Hey guys, Tony here. Hope you're doing well. It is Monday, March 11th. Hope you're holding strong in this new asset class that is cryptocurrencies. I have some very big news to share with you guys. First and foremost, this is not financial or investment advice. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Also smash the like button. Guys, we got news here from the Swiss exchange SIX, which recently launched their Ethereum ETP, also known as exchange. As we've talked about many times, many of these companies are going to market things under the name of Bitcoin just to get the headlines because Bitcoin has the branding, the notoriety. And then they're going to go down the list, right? They're going to go after number 2, the Ethereum, and then at number 3, XRP, and so forth. So here, let me give you the details. Switzerland's primary stock exchange, SIX, could soon list another crypto-based exchange product, ETP, which will track the price of CEO of Swiss company Amun AG, which already offers several crypto ETPs, told CoinDesk in an interview that his firm has received approval from SIX to issue the XRP linked ETP with the ticker name AXRP. Here's a quote. "We can comfortably say that we expect to release the world's first XRP ETP within the next 2 months." So this looks like it's going to be coming in May. Joe, who just pays attention to the headlines or maybe just the price, they run scared, they have weak hands, and smart money comes in and understands the potential here, looks at the market holistically, and they are building, they are investing, they are launching financial products around crypto custody in late March. So we have a bank here, a banking group that's launching custody services. And guess who this is for? Institutional investors. Same thing with the ETP guys. I've said it many times, the next bull run is going to be led by the institutional investors because let's be honest, the retail investors got burned, many of them who bought in at the high prices, right? Now, those of us who 2008 business results report, which was published on March 8th, according to the report, the company has been trading 5 major cryptos since 2017 and is now introducing a crypto custody service. The new feature is set to launch on March 21st. The third external wallet to the document states the move will let the company become a secure and technologically fully integrated cryptocurrency trading platform and depository for private and institutional clients alike. The big money is coming. The infrastructure, the guardrails are being put into place, and one of the things they need is custody, good custody service, right? Now, speaking of stock exchange, we've talked about the ICE crypto data to essentially provide accurate price data. Now, who is this for? You and I go on Coinbase or Binance or whatever it is, and we see the price on CoinMarketCap and so forth, and we make our purchases. Who's this data for? This is for the big money, for stock exchanges, for banks, for all these hedge funds and so forth. Now, why am I highlighting this again? Is because they launched a video today. They tweeted it, and this is ICE. This is from ICE now. The ones who own the New York Stock Exchange and other stock firms and investment firms and so forth. They are massive on Wall Street. And as you know, they are launching Bakkt. And Bakkt is waiting for the CFTC approval, but they are building the respective technology to facilitate the growth of this market. So they tweeted here, what? ICE Crypto 100s of venues. How? One source of data. When? Now. Guys, the future is bright, and I've never been more confident than I am now in crypto because I've said it many times. I wish I had this news in 2016 when the prices were even lower and I could have bought more, but I'm not missing my opportunity this time around. Now, we have some Ether and Ethereum base appearing on earlier pre-release presentation images. At launch, crypto gaming platform Engine, beauty community Cosme, crypto collectibles platform CryptoKitties, and merchant payments service CoinDuck. So, we've talked many times about these companies. They're going to start with a soft launch and roll out slowly. Like I said, many will start with Bitcoin. They are, of course, starting with Ethereum. And then I'm sure they're going to add Bitcoin and they'll add XRP and go down the list. That's how it usually starts because I've said it many times. These companies don't want to set themselves up for failure. They want to be successful, and they're going to do what normal businesses do: launch slowly, test it, go through the trial and error testing, make sure everything works, and then scale. So that is what's ahead. But look at this: the largest smartphone maker integrating cryptocurrency wallet and so forth, and decentralized apps into their phone. It's amazing to see these things happen. Now, we've been hearing rumors of Facebook launching their own crypto, most likely a stable coin. Well, Barclays, a huge investment bank, well known. It says here, Barclays analyst predicts billions in additional revenue from Facebook coin by 2021. So Facebook, of course, has its own ecosystem, and a lot of users, and they have their marketplace and so forth. So if they were to launch it, they could get people to use it. Now, would I use it? Probably not. I don't think I would, right? Because it would be a stable coin, but they already have the existing customer database and they have the money to market it, right? So let's see where this goes. But it looks like Barclays internet analyst Ross Sandler wrote in a client note that cryptocurrency could establish a new revenue stream for Facebook, aiding in its share price that tanked amid a series of high-profile scandals last year. So, in his forecast, Sandler pointed out that the crypto-based revenue option is something sorely needed at this stage of the company's narrative, stressing that any advertising-free revenue streams are likely to be well perceived by Facebook's shareholders. So, he said that his more conservative revenue estimate for the new coin is $3 billion. This is very interesting. Let's see where it goes. I actually did a poll among my friends on Facebook where I said, would you use the Facebook cryptocurrency, if it was to launch? Everybody said no. So let's see how this goes. Maybe folks won't use it, and Facebook already has, they've been having problems, right? As you guys know, both from a political standpoint, from data breaches and so forth. So there's a lot of issues. So let's see people who actually trust their coin. Now, Venezuela, we've been talking about Venezuela and the volume of crypto increasing, and the government allowing Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin to be used within, I think actually Bitcoin and Litecoin to be used within their remittance platform. Well, we got some news here from a Venezuela economist saying cryptocurrency is good money. Bolivars are not. This is very, very good news for crypto, because these countries with failing fiat, and I think the biggest being, Venezuela, the collapse and the fiat's worth nothing, right? Might as well be garbage on the street. People are leaning towards crypto, and he has some bullish statements here. Let's see. Here's a quote. "We are in a complicated situation because good money, dollars or crypto, is available, but it is scarce because people tend to keep it, not spend it. On the other hand, our bad money, the bolivar, it's the one used by law." So let's see how this plays out in Venezuela. They might, out of necessity, out of this situation, be forced to fully adopt crypto, and it looks like that's where they're headed, because the government themselves actually tried to launch their own crypto called the Petro, which is oil backed. Let's see how things progress here, but this could be one of the catalysts, the things that happen in the timeline of history that really pushed crypto to be adopted by a government, which would be huge. Now, we got news here. We've always talked, guys, on this channel about STO, security token offerings, and asset-backed tokens. Well, the owner of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, plans an ICO. And this is pretty amazing. The real estate firm in charge of the world's tallest building wants to develop its own crypto token. Emaar Group, one of the United Arab Emirates' largest real estate developers, and the firm behind the nearly 3,000-foot tall Burj Khalifa, announced Monday that it was planning to develop the Emaar community token for its customers and partners by the end of 2019, with the ultimate goal of launching an initial coin offering. So this is where we're headed, the token economy, and there's going to be a lot of tokenization, and it looks like this is going to be built on the Ethereum. It's going to be Ethereum-based token designed to comply with the ERC20 standard. It goes back to why I am very bullish on the Ethereum, guys. I know they've had their scaling issues and upgrade issues, but there's a lot of building happening, legit stuff like this, right? Even we've talked about DX Exchange launching their digital stocks, and it's ERC20 backed, ERC20 tokens, guys. So I personally diversify. I hold Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum. I'm most bullish on XRP because of the use case, of course, but I'm holding a variety, and I believe there'll be multiple winners coming out of this market. So pretty amazing to see these things are happening, and it's all just coming together. Now, finally, someone shared this on Reddit, and it talks about bounties for the oceans. We paid people $5 in cryptocurrency to pick up trash in Manila Bay. So I thought this was interesting, and we'll probably end up seeing more and more of this, where to help spread awareness and adoption, they said, hey, if you guys help clean up the beach or whatever it is, we're going to pay you in crypto. So this is great to see, guys. And these are the type of grassroots movements and small things will help spread the education, the adoption, and the usage of crypto. So exciting things happening, guys. The birth of a new asset class. It's amazing to see it happen. And there's so much happening now every day. We're seeing so many different news and investments and building. It's truly amazing, and I hope you guys see the bigger picture here. And also, it requires patience. I know people are saying, many will say, well, this is such great news. Why isn't the price movement, right? But they haven't made the connection understanding market cycles are bear and bull, lack of regulatory clarity, and a lot of stuff is in the process of launching. They're not fully launched. Like, for example, Fidelity Digital Assets has launched, but they said they're doing a slow rollout, soft launch, right? We've talked about Ripple, where XRapid went live last year. Mercury FX went live, but now, just like a month ago, they said, oh, now we're going to open into 10 new corridors. So they were in the process of doing a soft launch, testing maybe one corridor or a couple and sending small payments, right? These things will take time, and that's where patience is so important, guys. Remember, Google, Amazon, eBay, and so forth did not become big successes in just 1 year or even 2 years. It took years, right? Now, am I saying we have to wait that long? I don't think so, because this is moving a lot faster, because we're on the internet. We're on information and technology moves a lot faster now. So, and we're seeing the launches are taking place, and hopefully we get some regulatory clarity. I'm hoping the Token Taxonomy Act gets passed. That will be so big for crypto, guys. It's going to be huge. Anyway, guys, what do you think about this news? A lot of great stuff here. I want to hear what you think. Thank you for your support. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you'd like to donate to the channel, check out my donation links as well as my Patreon group link. Thank you for your support, and I'll talk to you all later.